Discover Hirose's TF70 series, a high-performance FPC-to-board connector engineered for automotive applications where reliability and compact design are crucial. Key advantages of the TF70 series include a 0.5mm pitch and direct FPC and FFC connection design streamline assembly, reducing both size and weight for space-constrained environments. Center lock design ensures secure one-handed insertion and removal, featuring a robust locking strength of over 40 newtons. Long effective mating length provides high contact reliability, minimizing the risk of disconnections in demanding environments. Flexible connection options with both right angle and straight angle configurations accommodate versatile design needs. Built-in safety features prevent electric shock, mis-insertion, and incorrect mounting, enhancing operational safety. And reliable operation from -40°C to 105°C, making it perfect for the harsh conditions of automotive applications. Ideal for automotive systems including battery packs and control units, the TF70 ensures dependable connectivity in compact spaces. Stay ahead of the curve with the TF70 series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.